Hello, 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 my hillbillies. I have an unboxing haul, whatever, snail mail, whatever you want to call it. I have been a busy bee today. I have gotten my birthdays out of the way. I've got my Christmas stuff out of the way. I got my New Year's stuff out of the way. I am free now. After I get this one done, I can sit back and do my own nails and figure out what the hell I want to do with the rest of this month. So, without further ado, let's get this rolling. Alright. And this here, they're already open because some of them was for reviews and I had to take pictures, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this was from Amazon. And these are the glow-in-the-dark powders. There are 12 of them. I put this whole box in that lamp for 90 seconds. Every one of them lit up this room. So I was very happy with that. I think they were $9.99 on Amazon. Okay. And this here was a winning that I got from Pumpkin Snail Station that had just came in, that she recently did not too long ago. Over there. Well, let's see. We got a. I don't want to tear the box because I'm going to keep these in a box if I have this color already. It's a black, which I have this color in another thing, but I don't have it in this set. So I will put it up for further use. And then this one's probably going to be the white. And I will do the same with this. You always need to do stuff. And then it came with the, excuse me, the scraper and the stamper, which I'm going to leave it in there. I don't need to use it right now. And this one here is going to be, looks like a unicorn. That's exactly what it is. And it is 081. All unicorns. That light is glaring on y'all. Y'all see my camera up there? I can see my camera up there. Woo woo. Okay. More to my collection, isn't it? And this one here, oh, this does different kinds of designs. Okay, thank you, Pumpkin. And you know where these are going. Oh my God. Into this. Look at this thing, y'all. It is stuffed. Hey, it's okay. I ain't complaining. By no means. We're not complaining at all. That is for show. For show. Okay, I'm going to get there. I promise. Here we go. This one will go here. Slide right in. And this one will go here. Slide right on in. I still got a few more. I guess when I get it done, I need to take like a rope and tie it so it don't pop open. Might be a good idea. Okay. That's out of the way. Okay, now this here box was damaged. This is the way I got it when I got here. He made me check it to make sure that nothing in it was damaged, and that was the only thing that was in it. So this I bought myself off Amazon for $7.99, and I got this from, this is a vinyl. I guess you'd call it a vinyl. I watched who is that? Nails of Interest. She has a video on how she made her mat that y'all see all the time, and it has Nails of Interest on it. Well, I printed out a bunch of stuff that I'm going to use and cut out and stuff like that I'm actually going to use with it. And I'm going to use this Hillbilly Woman, and then I'm going to cut these out, and I'm going to randomly put them on this page somewhere. I don't know where. But then I may cut her out too, and then paste her on. I have some of these to make another one. So, you know, I'll figure it out. You know I will. But anyway, y'all can go over to her channel, and she can show you how to do this. Which, that wasn't bad for this roll. I think it's going to be a lot of it left. So, kudos. Alright. That's trash. Alright. Ow. Oh, shoot. It's hard for me to bend over here. I gotta work all the way down. Alright. And the price on this is wrong. It was $32. This drill was, I did a review, or I have to do a review or whatever. I did a review already. But only thing I did was open the box, make sure it ran, did what it was supposed to do, snapped all kinds of pictures and sent it to them. That's what I did. So, boo. You know, I didn't want to use it. And it came with the book. And this is exactly how it came in the mail, too, earlier, in the box. It had that piece of tape on it like that. That's exactly how I got it. And this stuff was supposed to have been here like yesterday. But Amazon evidently is behind on everything they're doing. So, this is the booklet that tells you how to do it if you don't know how to use a drill. This is this drill. It's pink. Stick my finger in there like a bowling ball. And it's lightweight. And it has the cords and everything to it. I've done had it plugged up. It does work. So it has the front, forward, and reverse. It has these around here. If everybody don't quit blowing me up. These around here has, instead of the numbers, and this is a 3000, or what do you call that? RMP, RPV, whatever. You know what I'm saying. Anyway, it's got low, medium, and it looks like high. So I guess if you go all the way over here, too far. You're probably going to use it between, I'd say between that and that. Maybe that. Alright. And it has a place for your drills. Your bits. Lord, I'll get to talking here in a minute. I have done a lot of videos today that had to be put off because it wasn't time for them. I've been on my toes. Okay. And this is the handle. This is the drill part. And I love the color. Love the color. And it's lightweight. Oh, and right now it's cold. And it's lightweight. When I have hot flashes, I need that on my neck. And it has the 2 prongs where it plugs in. This one plugs in the front instead of in the back. Okay. Stick them back down in there. Come on. If I get more reviews on, like I have 2 lamps now, which I needed a new lamp. And I've been needing drills forever. So now I got 2 good ones. So if I have any more reviews on lamps and drills, I'm fixing to start, they're gonna be in some giveaways. Which I'm gonna, right after Christmas, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna announce it sometime this month. I don't know when, with what stuff that's gonna be in it. And it comes with all this, like they all do. Well, they really don't come with these. I've seen them all come with these. And to be honest with you, I really don't care for these. I do this one for the bands. But these here, I don't. I like the the cement, I call them cement ones. And here is your power cord, and it comes with a foot pedal also. And the only thing that I found out these foot pedals do, if your foot comes off of it, it stops. You put your foot back on it, it goes. I mean, that's it. It's not, don't, you know, change the speeds or nothing like that. Not like a sewing machine pedal, if that makes sense. Okay. And close her up. And she will be going in the closet on a shelf until the other one tears the hell up. And that's the plan for this baby. And I also have I have some more winnings coming from what I've won. I have a friend mail coming. I have, what is it? I have a late birthday present coming. It actually is my flexi fingers. I can't wait. And there was people that treated to that birthday gift, and I will be giving them props for that. I just didn't want them to forget about it. I didn't want them to think I forgot about it. But I had to wait and put a little bit more money with it. So I had to wait until I could budget to do so. So I'm waiting on that now. So as soon as that gets here, then I will show y'all what I had gotten, the color that I had gotten, and I will let y'all know who were the ones that helped me get it, but I will not tell you how much they put in. But I will let you know who helped. So I think this is the end of this haul. I really believe. Y'all know, Mama, I've been in this chair all freaking day. All day. What did I do? I did 2 collabs, which are not due yet. I did a birthday. I did 2 reviews on Amazon. Got on YouTube, went and looked at everybody, commented on everybody. Instagram, did the same there. So now I'm free. If y'all want to watch me do the table, let me know in the comment, and I will videotape that. Y'all might hear some cussing and all this other stuff, but you expect it from me, so what the hell, right? But anyway, like Catherine says, anywho, yeah, I think that's about it, guys. And I hope everybody has a good night, because it is at 9 p.m. here at night. And I'm fixing to put this up and put all this where it goes. Edit this video. Put up Pumpkin's Nail Station for her gift. And put up Nails of Interest. So y'all can go watch her video if you want. And I'm going to link her in this video too, because this she's probably going to watch mine anyway. But I'm going to link her in it to let her know that, you know, this is up. And what's happening with it. She's a real good, dear lady. I love her to death. She's the one that let me know that my but my camera wasn't what it's supposed to be. And then Pumpkin helped me out a lot. And she let me know that, okay, you need to put a title on your videos. I'm like, a title? I was like, what the hell is that? I said, well, how do I do that? Well, she told me how to do that. So now, that's why I have titles, people. So, y'all can thank these two people for the view, which, Nails of Interest, she didn't buy me the camera, but somebody else did. And it was a Christmas present, they say. And I accepted it. And, yeah, I'm just rambling now. I'm tired, ain't I? Alright, you know what? I think I'm going to edit this video. And guess what this hillbilly's fixing to do? Because my husband's going to get me up early in the morning to go hunting. And I'm going to put all this stuff up, edit this video, post this video, and I'm going to go drink a beer. Hallelujah. Peace out, my hillbillies. Love ya.